Wait. Bears can go.
Turn the page.
Wait. What is that? And I want some bears go on bikes. Oh. Bears go on boats. Bears can go.
Oh, wait.
Go. But I did go on a
That's a roller coaster. Can you say roller coaster?
roller coaster.
Okay, next page. Point with using your stick, teacher.
Bears can go up stairs. Steps. Bears can go on the slide. A slide. Bears can go on the park.
Yay! Can you read the title of the book again?
Bears can go